So guys, I'm now going down here. It is the last video that I've just took is 16 minutes already. I don't know. I just know that it is based on my calculation. It would be 14 minutes, but it is already 16 minutes. That's why I just ended the video, and maybe I'll cut that again. I'll just shorten it because it is only 1 minute that I need to cut. I'll just remove the 1 minute. So I will show you where I went this morning, but you can't see, oh no, you can't see the area that I cleaned a while ago, because I went there to the garden and cleaned the garden. You can't see it. I'll just show this part. So here in this area, this, yeah, this in between of this and this house, that's our garden up until here. Yes, down there, down, yeah, up until down there. And this actually our garden there is I don't know how many square meters or how many hectares. I don't know what's the right word. So actually up until here uh, there are what's that, mushrooms that are growing, and this is where we can drink some water. There's a water here, so as you can see here, and there's clean water here. There's a clean water here that is drinkable. That is where people will drink, because there's a house there. There's a house down there, but the owner of that house is already dead, and their families, like son, daughter, something like that, or cousins, they are not here in Maligong. Maybe some of them are here in Maligong, but they are staying in Favaray, Sitio Favaray, or Sitio Favuyan, or Sitio Panguraw. They are afraid to come here because there's no water. That's the only water supply there that I just showed you a while ago. If there's no problem with water here, then water that is drinkable and it is used to wash clothes, then I think many people, this mountain is full of houses already. So as I've just said, if I will not see another mushrooms, then I will not I will not carry these two mushrooms here into our house. I will just leave it there, down there. So the trail here is not cleaned. Maybe when I will pass by here early morning, it is bad for me. So we are now going down. This is the way going to the house that I'm talking about a while ago. So the trail here is not clean. They did not clean. So I will just do this. Do this, and do this. And it is already the main trail. This is the main trail. This is the trail also for marathon runners. If the Team Tawid will host a trail run here in Bontoc, then this is the trail. So I'll just leave this here, and I will just leave here because there's only two of them. So we are now going home. That's the view here, down here. That's the view down here. So I'll just take a picture